Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV. How are you all doing? So the UK have so far rolled out their vaccination program, and this came on stream yesterday after two individuals received the actual first doses of the vaccine. One of the individual is a female and one is a male, and she's actually 90 years old, and the male is actually 81 years old, I believe. And these are the two individuals that received the vaccine. Now, as the world looks on the sideline, many are anticipating whether or not this vaccine will actually have any complications as it relates to the health and well-being of people. And the government have so far spearheaded a immunization program in order to see how best they can go about delivering this dosage of this medication to people in the UK. But as it stands, the world looks on the UK as it's actually the first country to have provided this medication to someone outside of the trial process. And this medication is so far being viewed worldwide by the local and international authorities as to be one of the vaccine that is most effective in fighting the global pandemic of the coronavirus. Now, we have seen the coronavirus swept the world as a storm, and it has caused the devastation of many lives and also the devastation of many families as well. Worldwide, it has so far claimed over 1.5 million lives, and it's one of the world's most epidemic pandemic in the country's history or the world history just so far. So this medication was developed by a company in Germany and the United States, but many people are beginning to worry about the actual side effects of this, if any. And many people have so far decided as well that they will not be a part of this. So we're not sure why the government decided to roll out this vaccination program on people that are basically senior citizens in their 80s and 90s, in that age gap there. And they had so far said recently that they would have started the program on healthcare workers at first, but that plan was scrapped totally. We're not sure why that was done. But as the world looks on in the UK, many people are just hoping for the best, and whether or not this vaccine will work or not. This is like just the trial process of the actual initial stage of the rollout of this. But many people are not really in agreement with this vaccination, and we just have to just watch and see what will basically transpire from this. The coronavirus has been a virus that has been out there for some time now, and we have seen the devastation that is caused right across the world. And this is a very sad situation, but we're very hopeful that this vaccine is actually effective as well. But whether or not it will be effective, it still remains a mystery to many. And what are the side effects that many people are wondering why now, whether or not this will be an effective vaccine that will help or aid in the actual process of this virus that has been out there, claiming lives and also making people unwell for some time now. So as the government spearhead this plan along with the local health authorities in order to roll out this, the world is watching on the UK and are trying to see how best they themselves can articulate or follow on the UK's guideline, and to see what really happened, whether or not this medication was actually effective in the two people that were given this earlier today. So we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with this story, and just to let you be aware of what is going on as it relates to this. But we are just watching as well to see whether or not this vaccine will be an effective one, and one in which that the world is depending on right now, as many countries across the world are in dire need of this vaccine. And it's one of those moments that we have to keep our fingers crossed, because we're not sure whether or not this will actually work, or the actual side effects that this will have on different individuals. So that is a cause for concern as well. but we try our very best to follow this story and keep you up to date with this one. This has been Links 007 TV, and I'm out. Peace out. Bless.